You're marooned on an exotic island. You've only got your smoking jacket, your special someone, and a cocktail. And hope, and I mean really hope, that that cocktail is a Skyy spiced Appletini. Because if you're only going to have one, this is the one you want. As exotic and sensuous as it sounds, Skyy spiced is a unique blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, intermingled and interfused to create a rich, exotic taste. Now, to make a Skyy spiced Appletini, you will need a martini glass, Skyy spiced, a little cranberry juice, and an apple. I prefer Granny Smith apples myself. And once again, I'm going to hand it over to the master.
Thank you, Granny. First thing we're going to do is chill down our martini glass, fill up our mixing glass with ice, and start with 2 ounces of Skyy Spice.
Now that's a 8 count if you're free pouring, or if you're going old school, 4 fingers.
Next is an apple flavored liqueur, about 1 ounce of that. And next is a splash of cranberry, or about 1 ounce in this one. Give it more color. Your shaker, put it down, mix it, dump your ice, and pour. The last thing you want to do is have your Granny Smith apple and cut right down the center, and another one. Flick some of the seeds out, float on your martini, and serve.
Now there is an all-American drink right there. Now, if that doesn't make your evening with your special someone one to remember, I don't know what will. You starting to feel special?
After a few more of these, ask me again.
That's what I like to hear.